Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're doing a cost comparison video. In engineering, you'll spend half your time figuring out which is the best cost for the product. So in today's video, we are trying to find the payback period between the conventional furnace versus the high efficiency furnace. And we've got the old furnace, which is 56% efficient, and we spend $1,201 per year. Okay, so over 9 years, we want to figure out which one's the best one to use in terms of cost. We can skip step 1, there is no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we've got the efficiency and the costs respectively. We want to find the simple payback period. Okay, so the simple payback period is when the cost matches the initial, the initial cost of the furnace versus the annual cost, I suppose. Alright, so step 3, find the formula. So it is the excess initial cost divided by the annual cost savings. Step 4, we need to find the formula for the excess initial cost. So it is the difference in dollars. So that is between the two heaters. So you've got your 96% heater, and then you've got your 83% heater. So the difference is $1,100. Step 6, find the annual cost savings formula. So it'll be the annual cost of the 83% minus the 96%. Step 7, find the annual cost of heating formula. It'll be the cost of useful heat divided by efficiency. We need to find the useful heat. Step 8, find the formula for useful heat. So it'll be 56%. So that is your efficiency multiplied by your annual cost. So I'll just write efficiency. Students may get confused. Alright, that'll probably be better. Okay, so step 9, find the useful heat. So 56% multiplied by $1,201 per year. That's $672.56 per year. We backtrack to find the 82% heater, so that's step 10. So we'll do the useful heat divided by efficiency. We'll get $810.31 per year. We do the same for the 96% heater. It is $700.58 per year. Step 12, we find the annual cost savings. So the difference, so you've got 810.31 minus 700.58, so you get $109.73 per year. Step 13, we can now find the simple payback period. So the excess initial cost is from step 5. Right over here, and then step 11 is what we just found. Step 12, apologies, is what we just found for the annual cost savings. So 1,100 divided by 109.73. So the dollars cancel out. We get 10.02 years. So the payback period will be 10 years, rounded down. Okay, if you want to be exact, it'll be 10 years and 2 days. Okay, so the more efficient heater will pay for the $1,100 cost and differential in this case in 10 years, which is more than the 9-year limit. Therefore, the purchase of the cheaper and less efficient heater is better to buy in this case. So, in terms of cost savings, the cheaper one or the less efficient one will be more effective in terms of costs, but in terms of efficiency, the 96% actually uses more over that period. Okay. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC. Just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can save this video using a snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow the instructions below. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. First, click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to start recording. And then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.